The Kidney Killers, Daily Habits You Need to Break Now. Welcome back. Today, we're diving into a crucial topic that often goes unnoticed amidst our hectic daily lives. Habits that can silently wreak havoc on our kidneys. The kidneys play a vital role in filtering out waste and maintaining our body's overall balance. However, certain everyday habits might be compromising their health without us even realizing it. 1. Inadequate water intake. Water is the elixir of life, and the kidneys rely on it to flush out toxins and waste products. Dehydration can lead to a buildup of harmful substances in the kidneys, putting them under unnecessary stress. Make sure you're sipping on water throughout the day to keep your kidneys functioning optimally. 2. Excessive salt consumption. A high sodium diet can contribute to hypertension, putting additional strain on the kidneys. The kidneys work tirelessly to regulate sodium levels in the body, and an excess of salt can disrupt this delicate balance. Keep an eye on your salt intake by opting for fresh, whole foods and minimizing processed and packaged snacks. 3. Overindulgence in caffeine. While that morning cup of coffee can be a great pick-me-up, excessive caffeine consumption can lead to dehydration. Caffeine is a diuretic, meaning it increases urine production, potentially leading to fluid loss. Ensure you balance your coffee intake with an adequate amount of water to maintain hydration. 4. Ignoring regular exercise. A sedentary lifestyle not only contributes to various health issues but can also impact kidney function. Regular exercise promotes blood flow and helps maintain a healthy weight, reducing the risk of conditions like diabetes and hypertension that can harm the kidneys. 5. Over-the-counter painkillers. Frequent use of over-the-counter pain medications, particularly nonsteroidal anti-inflammatory drugs, NSAIDs, can have detrimental effects on the kidneys. These medications can reduce blood flow to the kidneys and, when used excessively, may lead to kidney damage. Consult your healthcare provider before relying on these medications regularly. 6. Excessive alcohol consumption. Alcohol can dehydrate the body, and chronic alcohol abuse can lead to kidney disease. Moderation is key. Limit your alcohol intake and ensure you balance it with sufficient water to protect your kidneys. 7. Smoking. As if we needed more reasons to quit smoking. Smoking not only damages the lungs, but also harms the kidneys. It increases the risk of kidney cancer and can exacerbate existing kidney conditions. 8. Excessive sugar consumption. A diet high in sugar not only contributes to conditions like diabetes but can also have a direct impact on kidney health. High sugar levels in the blood can stress the kidneys, leading to potential damage over time. Be mindful of your sugar intake and opt for natural sweeteners or limit added sugars in your diet. 9. Lack of sleep. Quality sleep is essential for overall health, and your kidneys are no exception. During sleep, the body undergoes a process of restoration and detoxification. Chronic sleep deprivation can disrupt this process, potentially impairing kidney function. Aim for 7-8 hours of quality sleep each night to support your kidneys and overall well-being. 10. High-protein diet without balance. While protein is crucial for muscle health, an excessively high-protein diet, especially one lacking in balance with other nutrients, can strain the kidneys. Too much protein can increase the kidneys' workload as they need to eliminate the byproducts of protein metabolism. Opt for a well-rounded diet that includes a variety of nutrients in appropriate proportions. 11. Ignoring high blood pressure. Hypertension is a leading cause of kidney damage. If left untreated, high blood pressure can narrow and weaken the blood vessels in the kidneys, reducing their ability to function properly. Regular monitoring of blood pressure and taking steps to manage it through lifestyle changes or medications is crucial for kidney health. 12. Delaying bathroom breaks. Holding in urine for prolonged periods can increase pressure in the kidneys and may contribute to kidney stones or urinary tract infections. Make it a habit to respond to your body signals and take regular bathroom breaks to ensure the efficient elimination of waste products. Conclusion. Our kidneys are unsung heroes, tirelessly working behind the scenes to keep our bodies in balance. By being mindful of our daily habits, we can take proactive steps to protect and support these vital organs. Remember, small changes in your routine can make a significant impact on your kidney health. Stay hydrated, eat a balanced diet, and adopt a healthy lifestyle to ensure your kidneys thrive for years to come. Here's to a healthier you.